How to see who viewed your TikTok videos. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to see who viewed your TikTok videos. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, just click on the video that you want to see. And as you can see, this is it right here. Now what I want to do is just click on these three lines right here, or three dots. And then from in there, you can see all of these things right here. So what you need to do is just click on analytics. So as you can see, analytics is not available since it's from the last 14 days. So what you need to do is just select a video that is posted from the last 14 days. So this is that insights right here. So you can just click on this more insights. And in here you can see the video analysis, wherein you can see all of the things, or the total play time, average watch time, all of that. You can also see the retention date and all of that. And in here you can see the viewers. So click on viewers right here, and you can see here the viewers of those, the age of them, the country or region, and everything that is associated to that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to see who build your TikTok videos. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.